Right now, people see only success. Like you are earning, 1 lakh rupees per day.
Yeah.
So people, oh my God, he is earning 1 lakh rupees per day. But don't you see, his back dark days when he was working hard, when he was not sleeping at night time, when he was struggling, against his poverty. Sometime I use that is, Colgate, but mostly I apply miswak. And still I can show that this I apply this. So
This is very tadakta bhadakta question. Who is favorite student in your coaching room?
you are my favorite student. Taking birth in this world, we have some information, in the society. Then our mind changes. If we remove that from our mind, we will become so pure. So it means you are not bad. The qualities are controlling you. That is why people are hating each other. So you need to make him as an inspiration in your life. That will be good for you. Otherwise, those people already they have done very much struggle before. So that is why there is one शायरी कि तुमने मेरा कांटों भरा बिस्तर कहाँ देखा, ये फूल मुझे कोई विरासत में मिले हैं. So this is the first class. We are going to have Q&A session. Maybe you can ask anything related to my life as well and how I started my journey, especially in learning English language. Maybe some of the question you can ask those which I cannot give answer. So do not mind, right? Do not mind about that. Actually, I also consider myself as a learner, right? And you all are my brother. You all are my brother. Whenever you call me, I say, yes, brother. What? So I consider you as my brother. And I also do not consider myself as an English trainer. I consider myself, nation builder. So inshallah ta'ala, I will be doing, because we have seen in this locality, we have so many discrimination as well when it comes to Hindu Muslim as well. So I think that I can eradicate something and I can do something with the help of this field or this line. So I'm going to invite one by one sitting here and asking me questions regarding anything. But there should be one clear title that in that you are asking question. So let us invite, first of all, Mr. Nawaz, come on the stage and ask a question. First of all, let me ask you, and how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling really good.
So this activity is going to be first time. So do you think that it can help us to improve our communication skill or fluency, all these things?
Yes, why not?
So should we conduct this activity after this again or in future or not?
In my opinion, it's all right to be conduct this type of activity. Yeah. What kind of friend do you like? मतलब कैसे दोस्त आपको अच्छे लगते हैं?
Well, this is really very deep question, and we need to understand it really here. Friends, in my life, I don't have any best friend in my life. Actually, I consider myself as the best friend.
Yeah.
When I stuck anywhere in any field, so I ask to myself, I think that I am the only person who can give my questions to answer.
So can I ask to your?
But I have some friend circle. Like I used to study in madrasa life, so there are some friends. But when it's come to my personal life, my growth or my journey, so I asked question myself, and I think that my thinking level it is fine as compared to my friend circle.
So who you wanna tell that this is your real friend? मतलब
Whom?
Yes.
I told you right. I don't have any best friend, but I have some.
Really? Really don't you have?
I don't have any best friend. I have some friends. They are very close to me, and even though my brothers, I consider one of my brothers living in right now in studying Mufti course, and maybe he has become Mufti completely. So he is my. If I say define any best friend, so he is. So I share anything in my life, my personal conversation, my personal talks as well, and he also shares me. So there are some secret things also, and this is the thing.
So, okay, this is a very good choice. So, who you consider, you versus your dad, who you consider is a good educated man?
Education, when it comes to actually my father, and he passed away in 2015. So, and at that time I had not this much maturity to understand what is the qualification of my father. So at maybe 14 15, I was, I went to madrasa to study to become hafiz. So I don't have much idea about his qualification. So
I'm really sorry to ask you that question.
it's okay, fine.
Yeah. So, according to you, what is a real human? What is a real human? Are you a human?
Okay, actually this question, real human, when you have, there are some things, every person has these qualities, it can define you are human. Firstly, you must have empathy, sympathy, and you must have character towards people. When a person, he is under critical situation, so you need to become, his hand to helping hand, like in his, danger situation anywhere. So this is called humanity. Otherwise you may be going, a person, he is right now, just let me tell you one example. Nowadays it has become very common, after getting, after being occurred any accident on the road, people just, start making videos. Nobody is calling ambulance, nobody is helping there, but people are there to shoot videos. So it is very bad. Do not think he is Hindu, Muslim, any caste. So this is the duty right now to help him. After that we will think. After helping, I will think who is there and who is he or she. So it is defines you have humanity, or it has long definition as well. We can also describe that. So according to me, this is the deeply thing which we need to discuss here. If you want to include
you say this is a very cruel reality of this world.
So
Yeah.
yes, if you
Yeah.
want to add here, if you have in your mind
Yeah.
regarding that humanity, so you can also add that I can understand something new.
What do you mean? I actually don't understand.
Actually, I'm asking that, you asked a question. So did you satisfy with my answer?
Yeah.
If
Yes,
you have
I-
anything you
No, I don't-
want to add,
No. जितना भी मतलब आपने कहा,
that is yes.
that is enough. Yeah.
Character, if you have character, it will define your humanity.
Yes. This is very good thing you say. So the other question is, what person do you hate so much in this world?
Well, this question is, I don't want to give answer, but I'm telling to you.
Like you can say, like you say about humanity, about human things. Then you can say like that person who.
I don't hate anybody. But I hate these qualities a person has. I hate qualities. If you have quality of abusing to a person, so I don't hate you. I hate the quality inner side you have. I don't hate you. So I don't hate. Like me or you, we are same. The information you have, due to information you are better or less. Right, so I had those things, but I don't hate anybody in the world, really, honestly, because I think that everybody is same. After taking birth in this world, we have some information, in the society. Then our mind changes. If we remove that from our mind, we will become so pure. So it means you are not bad. The qualities are controlling you. That is why people are hating each other. But I don't hate anybody. If anybody has this quality, so I hate that, not a person.
This is very, very good thinking of yours.
Yes.
I like that.
Thank you so much.
So the other question is already opposite. Like I said, what person do you hate so much, and what person are you fan? Like no, I don't talk about any celebrities, like your cousins or
Well, I have seen so many people in my life and so many celebrities.
You can consider one person.
One, if I tell one person, so I love very much Wali Rahmani. You know Wali Rahmani?
No, can you explain?
And even though in my mobile, the DP is also Wali Rahmani there, backside. If you see in my mobile, Wali Rahmani DP, even though, because he is like in my age. When you see other celebrities, for example, 40 years old, 50 years old, and he is more successful or damn successful in his life, but you don't see his back, the struggle he did. But when it comes, in your age, a person who achieved something in his life, in your age, so you need to make him as an inspiration in your life. That will be good for you. Otherwise, those people already they have done very much struggle before. So that is why there is one शायरी कि तुमने मेरा कांटों भरा बिस्तर कहाँ देखा, ये फूल मुझे कोई विरासत में मिले हैं. So right now people see. So I consider that man Wali Rahmani, and he is good inspiration for youth as well. So
Yeah, that's good. That's good. It's a like the answer. I like this so much. Oh, this is very funny question and it's very logical. So the question is,
listen.
yeah, the question is, what kind of toothpaste do you use, and do your toothpaste have salt?
Actually, I do not. Sometime I use that is Colgate, but mostly I apply miswak. And still I can show that this. I apply this, so I only use this. And in Ramadan, I have been using since one Ramadan as well. And before that, I used to use Colgate. But there are some. Firstly, let me ask you that. What is the reason that you asked this question?
Firstly, I watched some ads. They are so funny. Well, like some girls stacking around your house and says, do your toothpaste have namak and do your toothpaste have salt?
Oh my God.
That's what I'm thinking.
Very fantastic the question Mr. Nawaz Sharif, and he has asked. So please clap for Mr. Nawaz and have a seat. Have a seat.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Muhammad Ayan. Thank you so much to my teacher Qari Muhammad Zishan sir for having me wonderful opportunity. And this is Q&A video, and this is my first question. It's very powerful question.
Yes, what is that?
How do you plan to use technology in your classroom?
In future?
Yes, in future.
Well, not in future. If I had money, I would start right now having digital board here. But I don't have much money. But inshallah ta'ala in future I will apply this smart board, and as well we will have smart cameras as well, AC as well. So you will be sitting under that. No need to go your house, sleep here.
What is your subject is favorite now?
Well, I need to be so favorite English language, and I love English. But no, one thing I'm telling to you, English, this is not a subject. We need to study it as a language. Then we can master it easily. Otherwise, you will be learning forever in your school and you will have nothing. So firstly, you need to learn English as a language. When you know speaking, then you can apply all these things.
Do you have any favorite outdoor activity?
Outdoor, Mr. Huzaifa, please, you can go out.
Please.
If you want to sit here without speaking, you can sit. Otherwise, you can go. I did not invite you. You are discussing here.
Activity.
Outdoor activity, we have so many activities. The activities we are conducting here, I love all of them. I can also conduct out of the class as well. We have news reporting, news anchoring, and debating as well. And we can also conduct selling activities outside. You are talking about here or any other activity?
Outdoor activity.
Especially regarding my classes, right?
Yes, yes.
So these activities.
Okay. Do you have any fun hobbies?
Fun hobby.
Yes.
Well, fun hobby I have. Sometime I sing song. Why? But I do not sing song for anybody. I sing song for myself. For myself. Let me sing one song. Hear that.
Oh my God, yes.
There is one song, Samandar mein kinara tu. Some people sing this song for girls, but I sing for myself. Ki I am Samandar, I am Kanara.
Sir, are you obsessed with yourself?
Yes, so I love to spend, I have, there is also one research. 10 qualities if you have, you are intelligent. If you love to spend your time with yourself, you are intelligent. If you forget the things very soon, you are intelligent. There are some people, they never forget, but they are not intelligent. There is a research. If you forget quickly the things, like you put your mobile here, then after that you forgot. This is the symbol you are intelligent. It means you are intelligent. I have, that research. I can send that 10 qualities if you have. So you are intelligent. And if you love to talk with yourself, if you love to spend your time with yourself, so these are the symbol and signs that you are intelligent. So I sing song for fun sometime. There are some song, I don't want to sing all of them. There are some romantic songs as well. So yes, I do it.
How do you learn English?
How did I learn English? This started, the journey started in lockdown. The journey started in lockdown, but in lockdown I learned nothing. The journey started in lockdown, but in lockdown I learned nothing because, when lockdown occurred, all the things closed, I had nothing to do. I thought, why not I can start learning English language? Just I was searching teachers especially for online classes. One of my friends living in Azamgarh, and he sent one link. After completing my course, I was still confused because at the time I had no friend and no environment as well. So, but I was very interested that inshallah ta'ala I will go Lucknow. I will take physical class over there. So before 6 months I went to Lucknow and I was living there because I had also chance. I could do up and down every day, but I took a room over there, hostel, and I spent a lot of money for learning English language, more than 40,000 rupees. So that's a very long-term journey.
This is very tadakta bhadakta question. Who is favorite student in your coaching room?
You are my favorite student.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
This is not. If I will indicate a person, people will start thinking, why not me? So you are my favorite. No, everybody is equal. I have constitution. I cannot, discriminate.
Assalamu alaikum, good evening. My name is Mohammad Faiz, and I would like to say thanks to my teacher for having me a wonderful opportunity. And so my question is, how to learn English easily?
Wow, what a good question. And I'm telling you some strategies to learn English language if you are alone. The strategies I followed while learning English when I was alone. Because after taking class in Lucknow as well, so I was alone. And in my friend circle, I used to practice, but only taking classes, it is not enough. If you are going to school, you are studying high school, intern, any class. Only going to school, you cannot chase good marks unless you are not studying at your house. Same thing it is also here. Only you are coming here if you are not practicing from your side, you cannot become good English speaker. Maybe you can learn, you can speak, but you cannot become good English speaker. So I used to practice in front of camera, and I also started my vlog channel as well. In Lucknow, I used to do vlogging as well. I also spent a lot of money only for going restaurant. Guys, just I have come in this restaurant. The restaurant name is this. And with my friend circle, you can see he is my best friend here. I have been, when I came, he also came with me. So Mr. Farhan, you want to say something? So I started my vlog channel. So vlog channel helped me to eradicate my hesitation to speak in front of people. So I was also used to speak, I wrote 100 topic in my notebook, and every day I used to practice in front of camera, recording my videos and speaking regarding one topic 10 minutes. Like for example, I selected one topic that is 15th August. So I was usually speaking in front of camera. So that I was generating thoughts and speaking in front of that. So after 10 minutes, the video completed. Then after that, second topic, third topic. So I used to practice from my side a lot. So this is the thing. If you want to be fluent English speaker, you need to practice. And if you have friend, mashallah, that is very fascinating. You can speak with them. And casual conversation, it is very important. Because when it comes to deliver speech, that's very simple. Delivering a speech, that is very simple. It is only one-sided, right? Delivering a speech, that's very simple. It is only one-sided. You are speaking. But when it is casual conversation, this is not easy. I know that. In your friend circle, you cannot speak regularly only English. After some time, you will think that it's very boring. But you need to do it, and you must do it. And I did, because I applied this rule. If anybody will speak in my friend circle one sentence in Hindi, he will make us drink tea. अगर जैसे हम लोग 6 लोग थे, सुनो, हम लोग 6 लोग थे, उसमें हमने ये लगाया था कि अगर कोई भी एक सेंटेंस हिंदी का बोलेगा, सबको चाय पिलाएगा इन लखनऊ. And in Lucknow, 10 rupees चाय, 6 people, 60 rupees, one sentence. So that is why it was compulsion, and we had compulsion to speak everything in English. So you need to do एक होती है ना self punishment. If you want to do something in your life, तो आप self punishment में रखो. जैसे आपको स्मोकिंग छोड़ना है ना, भाई बहुत ज़्यादा लत लगी है स्मोकिंग की, तो क्या करो भाई, दोस्तों को पैसे दे दो, अगर मैं पीऊँगा तुम्हें मुझे रोकना है, वो फ्री में नहीं करेगा, कुछ पैसे दे दो उसको, मैं पीऊँगा तुम्हें मुझे रोकना है बस. तो भाई जब समाज को कह दोगे तो कौन करने देगा तुमको, कौन सिगरेट पीने देगा. तो इफ़ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ पनिशमेंट इन योर फ्रेंड सर्कल कि भाई इंग्लिश ही बोलना है, भाई बोलने नहीं देगा तुमको हिंदी कोई. सो यू नीड टू अप्लाई इट, देन यू कैन लर्न इंग्लिश इजीली, बिकॉज इंग्लिश इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर थिंकिंग. इफ यू कैन डेवलप योर थिंकिंग, यू कैन स्पीक. वी आर थिंकिंग ओनली इन हिंदी, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर स्पीकिंग हिंदी. दिस इज द थिंग.
So my next question, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I don't have free time actually. I am actually, when I am free, so I start writing my book. So because that is not completed yet, right? And I also study. I also keep writing vocabularies, and even I also recite Holy Quran. So that is not defined, especially I do this work. Whenever I get free, so I keep doing any other work.
What are the advantage we can get after learning English?
That's very beautiful question. Like after learning English, there are a lot of advantage. Firstly, if you learn English, you can enhance your personality as well, because English, this is not only a language. You can also boost your confidence. When a person is speaking English in the society, people think that he is damn educated, no matter you are Gada. But like in America, everybody speaks English, can be Gada as well. But here if you speak English, people will consider you are very intelligent. This thing, right? Secondly, if you speak English, so upcoming your generation, like your children, they will start speaking English. They will, like for example me, my children, they will speak English. Hindi they can learn in
So I'm gonna ask a question. So why do you learn English, and how did you think should I learn English?
why did I learn English? You know, it has, everybody knows why should I and why you need to learn English. This is the reason I learned English. And why I learn English especially, why not any other thing? Because I used to work that when I was studying in Azamgarh. So there was, one mufti. There was one mufti. He came from Deoband, and he was speaking English very nicely. The speaking style, I don't know right now how he was speaking. That time, I have no idea.
But you know that he is speaking very well.
I know this thing, he was speaking very well, because at the time I was not understanding, nothing there. So at the time I was very interested. Inshallah ta'ala, I will also learn English one day, and I will also become public speaker. Learning English, that's very simple, but becoming public speaker, that's important. You have to deliver a speech in English on the stage. 1,000 people are sitting in front of you. It's very challenging. So I gained some knowledge and some confidence as well. But inshallah ta'ala, I also will be improving, because I don't think that I am completely flawless, perfect.
So why have you left your working of bike? Why have you left?
Actually, since starting I was not interested in.
Why did you do it?
Because actually my brother, he told me you must have any skill. You must have any skill. So that is why I learned this. And before going to madrasa, when I was maybe 10 years old, so I had also, my paternal uncle. He was also mechanic, Mujib, my paternal uncle, Mujib Chacha. So my paternal uncle, he was also bike mechanic. So I learned some work over there. So I had some skill. Still, that is why I learned it. Otherwise, I was not interested in it.